Cool. So I just wrapped up this guitar for a customer by the name of Bob Nugman. Is that correct?
That's what it sounds. That's what it looks like.
That's what it looks like on paper.
Right.
But anyways, Bob sent me this guitar. He's a friend of JB, one of my other customers, who's been quite the great customer. And anyways, this particular guitar had a broken neck. This was one that I had done the video on how to properly pack your guitar and the reasons why you want to properly pack your guitar. This thing was busted pretty much from the 5th to the 3rd fret, split right down the fingerboard. And believe it or not, the scarf cut, that joint, was completely intact. It actually broke about 3/8 of an inch further down the neck from the scarf joint, which was really odd to see that kind of break. So this thing had suffered a major impact, but Bob is a Megadeth fan, and he wanted something, you know, kind of in that vein, so we went with the Nuclear Meltdown Cloud. And the old Mushroom Cloud is what we've got. And there was a photograph supplied by Bob that he liked, a particular design or photograph of the cloud. So that's what I used. Having spoken to Bob on the phone today, I realized that he is a recently acquired United States citizen and is from the former Soviet Republic, and so I got to use some of my Russian linguistics on Bob. I'm sure he was baffled as to what I was saying, but nonetheless he humored me and we indulged in a little Russian conversation. So this particular guitar is it's a nice Jackson King V that was destroyed, and I put one of my little Mike Learn truss rod covers on it, and we will get it back to Bob safely. I'm going to take it back out to the shop after Diana does some photographing with it, and then I'm going to do a setup on it and get it ready to rock, and we'll be shipping it back to Reno, Nevada here shortly. Have a good one.